Welcome back! In this lesson, we're practicing intermediate English sentences that help you speak more clearly, naturally, and confidently in real life. I'll explain each sentence, show how it's used in everyday situations, and help you practice step by step. Take your time, listen carefully, and let's begin.
Sentence 1. I'm trying to manage my time better. This sentence is used when you want to say that you are making an effort to organize your time more effectively. It often relates to work, studies, or daily routines. Let's see how this sounds in everyday life. Examples. I'm trying to manage my time better so I can finish my work early. These days, I'm trying to manage my time better between work and family. That's a common situation, right? This sentence fits many real-life moments. Say the sentence with me, nice and steady. I'm trying to manage my time better. Good. Let's move on to another useful sentence.
Sentence 2. I wasn't expecting that outcome. You use this sentence when something happens differently from what you thought or planned. It works well in professional and personal situations. Here's how people naturally use it. Honestly, I wasn't expecting that outcome from the meeting. I wasn't expecting that outcome, but I learned a lot from it. This is helpful when results surprise you. Now, repeat it once with me, clearly. I wasn't expecting that outcome. All right, let's continue.
Sentence 3. I need to think this through carefully. This sentence shows that you don't want to decide quickly. You want time to consider all details before making a decision. Let's put this into a real situation. Examples. This is important, so I need to think it through carefully. I need to think this through carefully before giving an answer. Let's say it together, calmly. I need to think this through carefully. Nice. Here's the next one.
Sentence 4. That's something I'll need to improve. Use this sentence when you honestly accept that you have a weakness and want to work on it. Here's how it appears in real conversations. Examples. Time management is something I'll need to improve. Public speaking is something I'll need to improve. This sentence shows maturity and honesty. Repeat it once with confidence. That's something I'll need to improve. Good progress. Let's keep going.
Sentence 5. I'm comfortable handling this responsibility. This sentence is used to show confidence that you can manage a task or duty. Listen to how this works naturally. With some guidance, I'm comfortable handling this responsibility. I'm comfortable handling this responsibility on my own. This sounds confident but not arrogant. Say it with me, slowly and clearly. I'm comfortable handling this responsibility. Excellent. Let's move ahead.
Sentence 6. I'd appreciate some guidance on this. You use this sentence when you respectfully ask for help or advice. Let's hear this in a real-life context. Examples. I'd appreciate some guidance on this project. I'm new here, so I'd appreciate some guidance on this. It's polite and professional, right? Now, repeat the sentence with me. I'd appreciate some guidance on this. Great! On to the next one.
Sentence 7. I'm gradually getting more confident. This sentence shows slow but steady improvement over time. Here's how people commonly say it. I'm gradually getting more confident speaking English. With practice, I'm gradually getting more confident at work. This sentence feels positive and realistic. Let's say it together. I'm gradually getting more confident. Very good. Let's continue.
Sentence 8. That approach makes more sense to me. You use this when someone explains something in a clearer way and you finally understand it. Listen carefully to these examples. That approach makes more sense to me now. After your explanation, that approach makes more sense to me. This is very common in learning and work. Repeat it once with me. That approach makes more sense to me. All right, next sentence.
Sentence 9. I'm open to feedback and suggestions. This sentence shows that you are willing to learn and improve from others' advice. Let's use this in a professional situation. Examples. I'm open to feedback and suggestions from the team. Please share your thoughts. I'm open to feedback and suggestions. This makes you sound cooperative and mature. Say it with me, confidently. I'm open to feedback and suggestions. Almost there. One more.
Sentence 10. I'm working on improving my communication skills. This sentence is perfect for learners, professionals, and interviews. It shows effort and growth. Here's how it's used naturally. Examples. I'm working on improving my communication skills at work. I'm working on improving my communication skills in English. This sentence fits many real situations. Repeat it one last time with me. I'm working on improving my communication skills. Excellent work. That completes today's lesson.
Well done for practicing today. These intermediate sentences will help you sound more confident and natural when you speak English. Keep practicing a little every day and you'll notice real improvement. Thanks for learning with us. We'll see you in the next lesson.